guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. I am just gonna take you guys along as I've discovered a couple more big loofahs in my big loofah vine here, and I keep on pulling it back over to the other side of the fence. Keeps on wanting to creep over to my neighbor's yard, and I'll show you how my loofahs are growing. I discovered 3 more pumpkins today. I got my shears out here so I can do some work on getting some just things that aren't quite right. And pretty soon we're gonna have a video coming up where we are cleaning out the sweet potato bed. I don't think that we're gonna get very big sweet potatoes just because I think I'm gonna pluck those things early because of the bug damage. I might go ahead and spray those with soapy water until we do that to try to keep some of this damage down. But I found new not slugs, but worms on them. I found new caterpillars on there today that are the furry caterpillars that are now eating my sweet potato vines. So yay, lovely stuff. So the sun's in my eyes, but at least you got lots of light on me. So we're gonna go ahead and go through here. I'll show you where the new loofahs are that I've discovered in the pumpkins. And then I'll bring you back where I can show you what I'm working on as far as just kind of trimming this up. I'm going to take some dead leaves off so that the the vine won't focus on trying to heal those that will continue to grow. Not that I have a problem with growth, but I do want it to be able to make those loofahs for me really well. So let's get in here closer. And you can see right in front of me, I have this nice big loofah here. Now this is probably going to double in width and probably won't, maybe get a little longer than that. I don't know, I don't think so. But this is really cool to see this happening. And I think that at least I'll have 3 loofahs in time before the frost, maybe more. They are coming on pretty quick. There was another one around here that I saw right over here, right behind. Now I'm leaving this up because it's holding other loofah plants up here, but you can see it. Right here. It's about the same thickness as that one over there, but a lot shorter. And then I was pulling some vines over the fence back this way, and I found this beautiful loofah gourd right here. So they are coming on, and so excited about it, and can't wait to see some more. And then we have a brand new pumpkin right here, and another one right here. And then surprise, because I need to weed and can't, I've got a bigger one right here that was hiding in the tall grass. So time to get to work and see what we can do. You can see here we have these loofah coming on here. You can see, I don't know if this one's been pollinated or not. I'm sure the ants are helping with all of that stuff. But that's how they start. They come on like this, and then they have a little female flower on this end. I don't know if I can still do it, but take off that, no, that female flower has died off. So that's what the female part looks. The male flower for the loofah is a little more frilly. The female flower looks a lot like this, but is a lot thicker in this area. Let's see if I can, you guys can see what I'm pointing at. Okay, so this is the male flower. It's really kind of frilly. The female flower is twice as thick as this. Looks a lot the same though, but has the, like right here you can tell right away, this is the start of a female flower. Okay, the male flowers usually have a bunch of heads on them and will flower a bunch of flowers, but the female flower has that little nub right there that will turn into a female flower. So, and those female ones are all over this this plant. So I want to go ahead and cut down these leaves that are yellowing, or they're either yellowing or they're turning black. I want to cut back some of my, time to rip out some things. I'm gonna maybe cut off this this sunflower. See if we can do that. Cut off the leaves, but I'm gonna go ahead and keep the sunflower stems up because they're holding up some of my loofah. So we'll keep those up and just get to work. So I'm not gonna bore you guys, and I won't use up a lot of camera time. So we'll get to it. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have no more pumpkins because this vine just died. And I was pulling on it and I pulled this whole thing out, and that was connected to the 3 new pumpkins that just were coming up. So that tells you a lot about pumpkins. They really want to survive. I knew that when they were growing on the grass that it would be, you know, it would be surprising if they made it growing along the ground with all the pests in this beautiful earth here. So, oh well, there we go. At least my loofah is working. It's just one of those years. It's just been a crazy bug year for everybody, not just me. And so if you're having a crazy bug year, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. The pros, everybody's having it. And if you're an organic gardener, it's just the way it is. So I'm gonna get back to work. I'll say goodbye to y'all, and God bless you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.